Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.